Hello guys, and this is our another video. It is about feeding your customer order in the system. Okay, let's start. User, password, export documentation, customer order, new order. If you want to feed new order, click on new button. Select order type. Now give the customer order number. If you have the customer order number, you type in that order number over here. If you don't have anything, press minus button. Date when you receive the order, 28/12/2022, and then delivery date. You can change it. Production date, you can also change it. We change it. Delivery date means when you have to deliver product to the customer. Our delivery date is 15/01/2022, and the production date is 10/01/2022. Okay, now you have to select this customer. Our customer is Oracube Technologies, or our customer is Smile. When we click on Smile, it have already picked currency and customer name, but address is blank because on the background we have not provided the customer address. I try some other client. You see the customer address is automatically filled. Save this information saved. Now customer product, ordered product, will feed customer order product. Press 1 and then item code if it is available, other you can type in minus customer style toy craft 2, item description girl, kid, shirt, customs, kid, shirt, color black and white, size small, quantity 200, production quantity, unit number, rate 45, and now second item code if available, otherwise you can type minus toy craft none, girls kid shirt black, size medium, quantity 250, pair number, chain, third, Now one thing is necessary to tell you. If you want to repeat the upper column field value, you just press F3. Don't press F4. F3, F3, color black, green, size large, quantity 400, F3, 30, and save. Your order is saved in the system. Now you have the performance invoice. Click on performance invoice. Performance is printed. Only for checking is coming because your boss has not passed the order. Okay, production order, production order, same, only for checking is appearing. Exit. This is your order which is on hold status. Your boss will pass this order by giving this password. And press release the button. Order is passed, and now you can print performance wise, which is free of only checking, and the production order, it is also free of only checking. Okay guys, this is enough for today. If anything not clear, you can ask anytime. Thank you.